can I see how we alone? Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone. Yeah.
So me never remember if you turn on the camera from early this morning. Good morning, me people. Wanna do you know what you made stop? You got cookie? So yo, is a watch along me I do this morning. Me there they watch Arsenal match as usual. Me and Nyla there. Arsenal, let's go, let's go, let's go. Do the dance, come. Do the Arsenal dance, come. Arsenal, let's go, let's go. Hey, shut the bum bum, shut the bum bum, shut the bum bum. Hey. That's all laundry on this Sunday. Watch Arsenal match same speed, so you see me kind of do partial of my cleaning because you don't know me off this week. Well, Nisha off this weekend, so I'm there just so much and get up, get Nyla some feed, start watch match. You know, so right now Arsenal up 2, Liverpool up 2. We just get one penalty. Me they say me go watch, keep a watch along so they can watch what go on with me. You know what I mean? Like, been the deal with the man them from watch him. Anytime they start losing, so then they go watch him. Look at shit. Raise up in that pigeon hip. Up in that pigeon hip. Woo! Woo! Wall him up, wall him up, wall him up. Watch out. You know what I'm done. You know what I'm done. Eh? You know what I'm done. You know what I'm done. Eh? Right there, sir. Yes, sir. Match, if you don't want to kick it back with me still, you can go and kick it back with me, I don't know. Woo! Woo! Watch him. You know, say Liverpool not really dip on the farm, they from what there, but Arsenal dip on a good farm, and every score we score, they answer back, and we answer back. You know? So, right now, I want to see who really can hang up the phone and no call back, no come through. So, Arsenal take it last, knock it down, so make you see what go on. You know? Check in back with you now again, you don't know. Bang! Yeah, mama, not yet. Come, what it just do? What it? What it? What it? What it? What it? What it, mama? What it? What it? What it? What it, mama? Uh-oh, uh-oh. 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 Yeah! Go Nyla, go Nyla, go Nyla, hey! We are celebrate, we are celebrate, we are celebrate, we are celebrate. Woo! What are them? 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 What are them?
Are you dancing because you got food? Y'all, I have no clue if Nyla is vegetarian or what.
Wait, which one is eat? Which
Anyone. You wipe it? Got home from work early today. I did a day 8 today. Came home and
I'm talking about it.
What are you talking about? What are you saying? Okay, hold on. I just finished making some dinner. Ziggy chefed up some infamous steak. You want some of that? We also got some pepper shrimp over there. And we got little Lyra here. She did up her hair. Turn. Wow, so pretty. You want some food, Lyra? Okay. So y'all see how long it took me? Almost 2 weeks to upload a vlog. You guys, y'all don't even want to know what happened. So
Can she come up to play with my dog?
Yeah. Yeah. Basically what happened was my last vlog that I uploaded, because by the time this goes up, my birthday, so the vlog before my birthday vlog, I vlogged and I went on the road and I used my phone, and I don't know what happened. I guess the clips from my phone were a little corrupt or something, or Final Cut didn't like it. I don't know what it was. Basically that was the issue, and I didn't know that was the issue because when the error message came up and it wasn't telling me what was wrong. I even tried to upload like editing in iMovie because I'm like, I know they've done that before and it worked. Still was giving me an error message. And then it just so happened that finally Final Cut gave me like a little error message, but it was telling me which clips I needed to get rid of. I'm just like, why couldn't you guys do that in the beginning? I was so annoyed and I was so over it because I'm like, yo, I was really trying to get my vlogs up like this. 2 weeks. It took me 2 weeks to figure that out. Yeah, we're just here chilling like a villain. Look at these pictures that we took. So we went to this monography place in Toronto and we took these pictures. Took these in my room. Well, Nala took them. So I just put them right here. But we went to this place called Monography. Move it over here because that's actually a sponsored content. We went to this place downtown Toronto called Monography and we took these pictures. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would see that I kind of like uploaded them on there and shared some of the footage, but well, that we got printed. And then we also got this one, but I need to get a frame for them. Oh yeah, the same thing. Oh, and we also got this one. It was such a cool experience. It was actually really fun. Ziggy booked it for us, and it went on our day off last week. It was good. Literally, Ziggy, how much was it? Whoa. Ziggy, how much was it? Like $70? We paid like $70. We did 30 minutes. You get to choose if you want half body or full body. Half body or full body. We did the half body. And you're in control of taking all your pictures. Push the chair, push the chair. They give you like a little clicker thing and you take all your pictures. And then you get one of the big printouts and you get 2 small ones on the back, and each person gets to take one, and then they had the complimentary photo booth session, and they also email you all the pictures that you took, which I think is a good deal. And all the pictures that I even upload to my Instagram, those weren't even retouched or anything. Those are just the ones that they emailed to us. But I highly recommend that if you're in the Toronto area or if you're in Canada, whatever, go check it out because it was definitely a vibe. It was fun. It was just like the adrenaline of knowing that, okay, you only have 30 minutes and you're trying to click, 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 click. You're trying to take pictures, you're trying to sit, you're trying to stand, but it was really fun. So yeah, you guys should check it out. I'll link it on the screen and I'll put the website in the description box down below if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, we're still, y'all. I remember someone, I didn't want to show you guys the fish because the water is a little dirty. I don't know why his tank gets dirty so quick. It doesn't even last a week, eh, Ziggy? Before his tank gets that dirty. But Mo is still alive. I remember someone was saying, when I uploaded it to my Snapchat, like a couple people were saying, oh, those fish die really quick, but it's been like 2 or 3 months and the fish is still here. He's still alive. He's over there chilling on the table.
I feel still like the water.
He doesn't like the water? I don't know. It's the food. The food is what changes the color of the water. Cause I can see even at the side right there. So I'll probably change the water tomorrow.
Yeah.
Haven't really done anything other than just kind of go out. But I'm gonna go eat, so I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. Clean my plate. Look what's here. Fat up my plate though. We got some steak. We got some veg. We got some pepper shrimp, some asparagus, potato, and corn. I don't know if I'm eating all this, but I ain't complaining. And Nala got some steak, shrimp, and rice. The next day. Happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian followers and anyone celebrating Thanksgiving. We got Keisha back here cooking.
So can I get one of the stove there?
Ziggy is here about to make some bread. You could go. I could do the potatoes after.
No.
Yeah, we're cooking a lot of food, and upstairs all the stoves are being used. So, Keisha, what are you doing? Some pasta?
A pasta salad.
She did like a pasta salad. I'm gonna do a potato salad and regular salad. Look at Nyla. I have to go pull up her hair and do her hair. Say good morning. Yeah. Ziggy's making cornmeal porridge! Yo, make sure you guys go and watch when Ziggy, actually I need to upload that one. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, hit me up at nisha.newby. I actually changed my Instagram name. I'm trying to keep it more professional for when brands reach out to me. But you could use it, Ziggy. I'll get another one. Make sure you guys go on my Instagram and watch when Ziggy pranked me with the salt prank. The man actually got me so good. Like, oh my god. And it's funny because it was his first time making porridge, I think. But when I tried it, it was so salty, and I looked at him like, do I tell them it's salty or do I not tell him? Because you're making chocolate fudge. What do you call it again?
Caramel turtle brownies.
Ooh, okay.
And maybe some cookies.
Yeah, do some cookies. Keisha's cookies are always hitting. Anyways, I'm gonna bring this candle upstairs in my granny's room. It's almost that time of the year. It's almost that time of the year when candles are going on sale again. My candle is literally... You're cold? Okay. Candle... my candle stock is slowly going down. And I've noticed Ziggy's been really comfortable with burning my candles. But this one is mahogany coconut. This is a nice scent. I'm just gonna go put it in my granny's... Well, bring it upstairs. I was gonna put it in her room. Let me show you guys quick what's going on upstairs. I'm about to get copyrighted. They got some chicken breast, shrimp, veg, chef himself. Got some oxtail. Oh my bad, beef. Oxtail. I don't even know why I'm talking like I'm not gonna get copyrighted. We also got our tomato. Yo, I remember this song actually when me and Ziggy were dating in Jamaica, and we would go to Active and hear this song.
Nisha.
Yeah? From where? Do you know how much cheese is at Shoppers? Don't we have a big thing of cheese under there? A bag. Sending me to go Shoppers to go buy cheese?
You're not none.
I am. I need the space. Can I put your stuff? Let me clean up your room.
Please, come on. This, you did. Excuse yourself.
Porridge! Porridge! Yo, I go to Ziggy and I'm like, I give him a hug. I'm like, I'm so thankful for you. So guys, I guess we're officially done. So we got our ham. My dad's about to cut this up. We got some pepper shrimp, just some regular schmegler salad, some rice and peas. What is that, rotisserie chicken, Daddy? Some rotisserie chicken. We got some oxtail. Curry goat. And then we got some potato salad. And we got like a macaroni pie here. And we about to dig in. Just know when we throw it down in the kitchen, eh? We throw it down. So this is what we're here doing. Everyone's here chilling and we're playing. What is this called again? Nintendo Switch Mario Party. Call of Duty? If the whole kitchen was black and white, like the cupboards and everything, it would be not Chef Mike eating again, guys. Watch it, watch him. Eat, cook, eat, sleep, repeat. Come again. Watch him hiding too behind the fridge. But anyway, we just ordered Dimitri's and I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Family that don't bake.
No, Keisha was gonna bake fudge, but everyone's just chilling and high. So everyone's just chilling. So you guys want sangria? I made sangria last night. It was so good.
We make sangria for
me. I smoke and I drink sangria.
And of course, every time we're trying to get close to it, it goes farther.
Okay, let me go make it. Remember, I think I showed you guys this cup, but it's finally frozen. And I actually tried it out last week. But this is how it looks. For all my wine lovers out there, highly recommend.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you,
So my plate looks a little messy, but got some strawberry Belgium waffle with Nutella and ice cream. Have my mimosa. And Keisha got hers with brownie. She already like ate hers. And then my brother got this apple crumble or something. I don't know what the hell it is, but that's what he got. Oh, hey y'all. So it's another day. This is basically just gonna be a weekly vlog, I guess, because after last night, which was Thanksgiving, really didn't do much. Today, me and Ziggy have an interview with Nationwide FM. And I'm super excited. Let me tell you guys how so two girls had reached out to me. One had reached out to me, and I saw the message and I was kind of iffy because I'm like, wait, is this like a scam thing? Because when I tell you guys I get the most funniest inbox messages ever, I literally get the most funniest messages. So when they reached out to me, I was kind of just like, hey, you know, thank you for reaching out. I'm not sure if this is a scam message or not, because you can only imagine like the amount of messages that I get, blah blah blah. And the girl sent me like a picture of her badge and everything, and she's like, no, this is legit, whatever. Anyways, been going back and forth with two girls from the station, and then the producer ended up messaging me on WhatsApp because I had shared my number, and she sent me all the details. So today, well, by the time you guys see this vlog, you probably might have already seen the interview. You might have not. If you haven't, I'm gonna link it down in the description box down below. But yeah, we're doing an interview today just based on our LDR relationship, being married and everything. I'm actually really excited for this opportunity. Like, to me, this is big. This is big, you know, like Nationwide is pretty known in Jamaica, and I'm just excited of like with the opportunities that Ziggy and I have been getting. Just so grateful, you know, little by little. Sometimes we pray and wish for stuff to happen before it's time, but one thing I've learned is that God's timing is the right timing. So that is what's going on. I'm currently going back to Marshall because if you guys have been watching my vlog, I bought this jacket for Nala, but I'm actually going to return it because this jacket that I had bought for her, I think last year, it still fits her. And I ended up buying a whole new like winter jacket and snow pants set from Costco. And I'm like, this girl's literally going to daycare, and everything I've bought her that was like expensive, she ended up coming home and ruining it. So I'm trying to like just be more like spend wisely, because I'm noticing that I'm investing in all these stuff for her, and by the time she goes to daycare, bruh, they're like mash up. So that's what I'm currently doing. I'm just running to Marshall. I gotta get some gas, and I gotta come back home because the interview is at 2:35 Eastern time. So I gotta go literally quick, come back and like look decent. And then I think I'm picking up my niece from the bus stop. So yeah, yo, I don't know, man. Lately I've been trying to like keep up with this whole YouTube thing, but I'm telling you, once one thing goes wrong, I just lose motivation. Like how I was having issues with the whole uploading thing, I was just like, yo, I'm over it. Like the fact that it was something so little and it took me almost 2 weeks, to figure it out was just highly annoying. Very, very annoying. And on top of that, I'm trying to buy a new laptop, and I'm debating if I want to get a new camera, but we'll see what happens. I'd probably like sell this one and then just use whatever I get towards a new one. But Thanksgiving yesterday was pretty nice. It was really, really chill. We had dinner, and we all kind of like try to chip in to help my dad. I mean, I literally only made the potato salad and regular salad, but we all tried to chip in, and then we ate. Food was freaking amazing. And then what else? Oh, then we ordered Dimitri's. So Keisha was supposed to make fudge, what is it called, like brownies, but everyone was just so chill because we were playing Nintendo Switch. The game got so intense. We had 2 controllers. It got so intense to the point we went to go buy 2 more controllers just so 4 of us can play. But it was like just a nice chill evening. And then I made mimosas. My mimosas are so good. Like, they were busting, like they were hitting. Yeah, we just relaxed and chill But yeah, Thanksgiving was good. So hope everyone else that celebrated Thanksgiving had a good Thanksgiving. I think America's Thanksgiving is different than ours, but yeah, just trying to figure. So it is October, so it's like Halloween, and I want to take Ziggy to Halloween Fest, which is at Wonderland, Canada's Wonderland, where they have like the roller coasters, everything. But this guy does not want to go, and I'm trying to tell him, yeah, and you gotta like, you have to go and at least experience one roller coaster. He said he doesn't do heights, so I'm really trying to like encourage him to go, because I think it would be one, super funny because it'd be his first time, and it's gonna be super fun. And Halloween Fest usually is nice. It's like usually a nice vibe. They really do it up Halloween vibes, where it's like monsters, scary stuff, blah blah blah. I don't know if we're gonna go to a Halloween party this year. I was debating if I wanted to host a Halloween party, but Sean and everybody was telling me no. So again, maybe we'll go out, maybe we won't, maybe we'll actually just chill this year. Let's see what happens. But I'm gonna focus on driving, and then I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys to Marshalls with me, to be honest, because this is supposed to be a quick in and out. But knowing myself, I will go in there to return something and end up buying something, because with all the footage in that last vlog, I had footage of me like in Walmart, in Marshalls, saying that I'm gonna buy a sheet, didn't buy a sheet, came back out with stuff. Yo, I had like the day well planned out. That vlog was supposed to be a good 40 something minutes, and because it was, I'm just done vlogging with my phone. Like I'm actually done. But yeah. So I'm heading back home. I just returned everything that I had to return, bought something that I had to buy, and then I'm going home to go shower and get ready for this interview. Y'all, why am I so nervous right now? Like I'm literally setting up, because it is streaming live, but my heart is pounded because I'm just taking this in that it's gonna be like live on the radio. Let me show you guys what's going on. So this is it. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm gonna go prepare, because I literally have like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go set up and get comfortable, drink some water and calm my nerves, because my heart, if you guys can hear my heart right now. Yo, I was like taking a shower, but I was like listening to the beginning of her show, and then once I heard Nisha and Newby, I'm like, holy crap, is this crap? Like this is like legit live. Holy smokes. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Interview's all done. If you guys are interested and want to check it out because you know you missed it, I'm gonna link the direct link to Nationwide's channel in my description box down below. And I want to send a big shout out to Nationwide FM for having us and, you know, showing us so much love and support. Shout out to the whole family over there. We really appreciate it. It was really a great experience, and I'm looking forward to many more opportunities like this. This is only the beginning, family. Only the beginning. I gotta go get Nyla from daycare. I was just editing my video, and I'm like, holy, time's really catching up. But I need to unpack some stuff first. I've been having this little crisis where you literally can't get children Tylenol, and I feel like having children Tylenol Advil on hand is so important because you never know when your baby's gonna have a fever. But they literally wiped all the shelves off at the drugstores, and if you needed Tylenol for your baby, like your little ones, you had to get like a prescription. Like, it was crazy. Luckily, before all this happened, I always bought like 1 or 2 bottles, me and Shauna, just to make sure we had it in the house, just because the kids are in school, daycare, you just never know. Weather is always switching up. So we just always had extra. So I went to the store today and I got 2. Well, one for Shauna and then I got one for myself. And then another day I actually went and got I got her, like, was it wildberry? Yeah, I got her, oh, black elderberry. I actually found black elderberry for her age. So I got that a couple nights ago. Just to have on hand, because like I said, with this whole crisis of not, like, the medication being an issue, you just never know. And then I went to the West Indian store and got some plantain, because Nyla has a thing for plantain right now. And we're trying to switch up her breakfast, because usually she wants, like, cereal or waffle. She likes turkey bacon now. But we're just trying to switch it up for her and introduce her to different stuff. And she requested plantain, so I told her today I was gonna get her plantain. When I went into Marshall, they also I'm trying to look for, like, more zip up hoodies for her, just so when she's at daycare, if she wants, she can, like, take it off. It's just, I find zippers are just easier to take on and take off. They didn't have any, but I got her this Champion tracksuit for daycare. I know for sure that I can get the sweater at Old Navy and Gap, so I'm gonna go there. And then I just got some wife beaters for Ziggy. But that was pretty much it. Now I'm done shopping. Done shopping. Do I want to make some plantain now? I think I'm gonna make some plantain now. But the interview went really good. Like I said, it was fun. They're so nice. I was actually really, a lot of people don't notice about me, but I'm actually really shy. A lot of people will be like, you're shy. I'm a shy person. If you ask anybody that knows me, I'm actually shy. I don't know how or when, if the vlog kind of don't portray that, but I am a shy person. I am shy. Literally nervous before we went on, because just the fact that it was live on air, I was like, holy crap. But I saw people, like, messaging me and they're like, oh, we're listening, we're supporting you guys. So that was really nice. Family and friends and supporters were supporting us in the comments, because I saw the comments. I had it on my computer. Yeah, it was actually really nice that they reached out to us. It was really, really nice. I'm gonna fry some plantain right now, and then I'm gonna go grab Nyla. Cause I know as soon as she comes home, she's gonna want something. Then by time they will be cooled down, and then I'm gonna give her some chicken breasts and rice and peas from yesterday, so she's gonna get that as well. But I kind of want some plantain too. Z was having issues turning his camera on because he was at work, so he didn't really get to go on camera, so some people didn't get to see him. But it's okay. If you guys want to see him, y'all can just subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new to our channel, big up your guys self. What's going on? Welcome to the newbie fam. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. Over the past month, I've actually been gaining a lot of followers. Like, I've gained quite a few. I don't know what's going on, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been stuck at 50,000 for so long, and it was kind of, like, discouraging. So the fact that my channel is growing is really motivating me, and then, like, opportunities like this just makes me know that there's actually people out there watching us. So big or small doesn't really matter, because look at my following base, and it's not a lot, but, like, you know, it's a good amount, and I'm still getting opportunities. Brands are still reaching out to me. I actually have a collaboration that I can't wait to introduce to you guys, because it's a super fun one, especially if you're a couple. Can't really say too much about it yet, but once I release it, because everything got approved already, I just can't say anything about it yet, but once it's released, definitely will share more about it to you guys, because it's a product that I highly recommend. You guys will see. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. I'm off for the next 4 days, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna be chilling, and I need to go wash my car. Actually, I want to wash my car, because I have not washed my car in a hot minute, but I need to go do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go fry these plantains, and I'm gonna go pick up Nai. You guys remember how we were planning to drop these t-shirts? So the reason why we haven't even said much about it was because we were confused, because the company that I signed up with, like we did a test to see how it would work, and we bought one of the t-shirt as if it was like someone buying it to support us, but like it was just weird because it wasn't them just buying the t-shirt. Like when Ziggy did it from his account, it's like the order went through, but I had to pay the company to make the shirt, so it's like I was losing in a way type thing. So I need to find a company where it's not like that, where like everything is linked together, if that makes sense. So that's why we haven't really said anything about the t-shirts, to be honest. Yeah, it was weird. Okay, I cleaned his fish tank, so there you go. But he's not eating his food. I don't know why. Well, he ate all the other food except for the flakes. But there's Mo. We're thinking of getting him a bigger fish tank because this one just ain't cutting it. I wouldn't want to be crammed in something little like this. Did to me. But just like that, guys, the vlog is ending here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ziggy's over here watching some trading videos and in his zone. Where's Nyla? What's her? Let me zoom in on them.
See what?
Let me see this. What is it?
Mac and chips.
I don't want.
We're calling it a night. It's like the plantain.
Plantain.
Yeah, it's like the plantain. Oh my gosh, right on the bed. Now tell them good night.
Good
Night, night.
Cookies.
Good night, what?
Cookies.
Newbies?
Cookies.
Cuties? Ziggy done. Big interview today. Ziggy's like, my camera's not working.
Wasn't.
That was more than half an hour. You went over your break time, didn't you?
I know.
That was like legit almost the whole thing.
So I sit and big up to nationwide, you know?
We'll see you guys in the next vlog, you know. Big up your guys' self as usual for always rocking with us. Shout out to all the new subscribers and shout out to the day ones. See you guys in the next vlog.
We alone, been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.